Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about continuous of history first lesson. Topic prehistoric cultures. Earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. The earliest tools made by human ancestors are found in Lumkwi in Kenya. Next we go to Lower Paleolithic culture. The Lower Paleolithic culture is marked by the human ancestors belonging to the species Homo habilis and Homo erectus. They made various tools such as hand axes and cleavers to meet their subsistence needs. These tools are also known as bifaces. These tools have physical symmetry and convey the human's cognitive skills. The hand axe tools are also known as Acheulean. Acheulean. What is Acheulean? They were first hand axes recognized at a place called Saint Achille in France. Bifaces are tools that have flagging on both sides. Subsistence necessities of prehistoric humans were mainly food and water. They might have voiced a few sounds or words and possibly used sign language. They hunted animals, fed on the meat of the animals killed by predators, and gathered plant foods such as roots, nuts, and fruits. In India, the Acheulean tools have been found near Chennai and many other sites such as Izambur in Karnataka and Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Next topic we go to Middle Paleolithic culture. The Homo erectus species existed during this period. Lithic technology. What is lithic technology? Lith means stone. The methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called lithic technology. Levalloisian tools are implements made after preparing the core. It was named after the town of Levallois in France. The people of this period were called Neanderthals. They buried the dead people systematically. Next topic, Upper Paleolithic culture. The culture phase that succeeded the Middle Paleolithic is called the Upper Paleolithic phase. This period was marked by innovation in tool technology. Next, Burin. Burin is a stone-made chisel with a sharp cutting edge. Ice Age. The period before 8000 BC, when many parts of the world remained covered by ice sheets and snow. Mesolithic culture. Mesolithic period is known as Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods. People mainly used microlithic tools during this period. These people were hunters and gatherers. Microlithics are stone artifacts of small size. Next topic we go to Neolithic culture and the beginning of agriculture. The period called Neolithic marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. Fertile Crescent region refers to the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq, which is in shape of crescent moon. The fertile soil deposited by the river on its banks helped the growth of agriculture. Prehistoric Tamilagam. Lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. One of the oldest Stone Age tools in the world made by human ancestors called hominins had been produced in Tamil Nadu. In 1863, Sir Robert Bruce Ford, a geologist from England, first discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Hand axes and cleavers are found in the soil deposits and also in the exposed riverside. They occur at Pallavaram, Gudiyam Cave, Adirambakam, Vadamudurai. Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The tools types of this period underwent a change and smaller artifacts were used. Cores, flakes, scrubbers, knives, borers, Levalloisian flakes, hand axes, and cleavers are the artifact types of this period. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in some parts of Tamil Nadu, for example, Tanjavur and Ariyalur. Next, we go to Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The people who used microliths or small stone, this period is called Mesolithic period. Evidence for the existence of Mesolithic hunter-gatherers is found at Chennai, North Arcot, Dharmaburi, Chelam, Coimbatore, Ariyarul, Tiruchirappalli. The tool types are scrubbers, lunates, and triangles. Scrubbers are tools used for scrubbing the surfaces. Scrubbers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin vegetables. Triangles are tools in the shape of triangles. Lunates are tools in the shape of a crescent. Next, we go to Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic. It is known as the New Stone Age. The Neolithic people used polished stone axes called sills. Cattle rearing was their main occupation. Next, Iron Age. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. Next topic, megalithic burial types. The burial types of Kodakal, umbrella stone, topical headstone, and pathikal hoodstone are found in Kerala. Dolmens, table-like stone structures were erected as funerary monuments. Cists are stone enclosures buried under the earth. Urns are pottery jars and were used for burying the dead. Sarcophagi are burial receptacles made of terracotta. Next, menhirs are pillar-like stones erected as part of the burials or memorials. Next, agriculture and pastoralism. The people in Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in archaeological sites. The black and redware pottery has a black inside and a red outside with lustrous surfaces. Iron technology and metal tones. The megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Today we learned about prehistoric cultures. We will see in next class. Thank you, students.